Success requires more than just hard work, it involves creating effective systems. By implementing principles like public commitment, financial stakes, and time boxing, individuals can overcome obstacles. Willpower is limited, so designing routines and using checklists can enhance performance. Ultimately, repetition and systematization lead to lasting change and success.
You're hustling, you're grinding, you have the vision board, the goals, and the motivation, but it still feels so hard, like you're pushing a boulder uphill every single day. You have a great day, then a bad day derails you. You rely on willpower, and willpower runs out.
What if I told you the problem isn't you? It's your approach. You're chasing goals, but what you need to build are systems. Success requires a different approach to reach the top 1%, focusing not on hard work, but on creating systems that facilitate achievement. Success feels hard until you stop relying on motivation and start building architectures of action that make success almost automatic. The idea of trapping yourself is crucial for success. When you eliminate options for retreat, you enhance your focus on achieving your goals. This commitment can drive you forward. My name is Blessing Ibrahim. I'm a multi-talented freelancer, entrepreneur, YouTuber, and career coach dedicated to helping individuals build profitable skills and purposeful careers. Today, I'm showing you the three-part system that changed everything for me. The premise: goals versus systems. Let's clarify. A goal is a desired result. Lose 20 pounds, write a book, hit $100,000 in revenue. A system is the collection of daily and weekly processes that lead to those results. Eat a protein-rich breakfast every day. Write 500 words every morning at 7 a.m. Make 5 sales calls every Tuesday and Thursday. As author James Clear says, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. When you focus on the system, the goals take care of themselves. Your job is no longer to be successful. Your job is just to run the system. Pillar 1. The clarity engine. The first pillar of a rock-solid system is clarity. Your brain's greatest enemy is decision fatigue. Wasting mental energy on what should I do or what should I eat drains the willpower you need for deep work. Cutting access to distractions can serve as a powerful forcing function, making it harder to indulge in unproductive habits. Removing temptation allows for greater focus on essential tasks. Here's how to build your clarity engine. The weekly blueprint. Every Sunday night, take 15 minutes. Map out your non-negotiable wins for the week. Not a massive list, 3 to 5 key outcomes. Block time for them on your calendar first. Treat these blocks like doctor's appointments. The daily launchpad. Each evening, write down the one thing you need to accomplish tomorrow to feel like a win. Then list out the 2 to 3 other important tasks. That's it. Your next day starts with zero ambiguity. Pre-commitment. Decide once. Plan your meals for the week. Lay out your workout clothes. Use app blockers during deep work sessions. Design your environment so the right choice is the easiest choice. With clarity, you don't need to feel motivated. You just need to execute the plan that past you, who was smart and thoughtful, already made. Pillar 2, the consistency loop. Pillar 2 is consistency, and consistency is not about grit, it is about design. We are going to hack your habits using the Atomic Habits framework. Time boxing tasks can lead to increased productivity by imposing a strict deadline, encouraging individuals to work efficiently. Setting time limits can make daunting tasks feel more achievable. Take a keystone habit you want, like daily deep work. Now build a loop. Make it obvious. Stack it onto an existing habit. After I pour my morning coffee, I will sit at my desk and work for 90 minutes. The coffee is the cue. Place your notebook open, your project file ready. Make it attractive. Bundle it with something you enjoy. I can only listen to my favorite podcast while I'm at the gym. Or after my 90-minute deep work, I get my favorite fancy latte. Make it easy, reduce friction. Want to read more? Leave a book on your pillow. Want to code? Leave your IDE open. The 2-minute rule: start with just 2 minutes. You'll often keep going. Make it satisfying, immediate reinforcement. Track it on a habit tracker. That checkmark is a hit of dopamine. Or have a small, immediate reward. Implementing structured routines by locking in time, place, and triggers can help tackle tasks that are often procrastinated. Autopilot mode can create a conducive environment for productivity. Simple systems are the hardest to break as they reduce reliance on willpower and leverage mental algorithms. Implementing an if-then plan can significantly improve success rates in achieving goals. Becoming the system is essential for achieving goals effectively. Repetition drives motivation, allowing individuals to effortlessly perform hard tasks through established patterns over time. Motivation may not initiate practice, but rather, the act of repetition promotes a craving for the activity itself. Transforming effort into a natural inclination, you're not forcing a habit, you're designing a ritual. Pillar 3. The compound catalyst. Pillar 3 is what turns effort into exponential growth. The compound catalyst. You need a feedback loop. Once a week, I do Friday afternoons, conduct a weekly review. Ask yourself 3 questions. 1. What worked? What system or habit felt effortless and productive? Do more of that. 2. What broke? Where did I get stuck or procrastinate? Where was the friction? 3. What's one tiny change I can make next week to improve the system? This is not about self-criticism. It is about being a scientist of your own life. You are tweaking the experiment. Over months, you refine a system that is uniquely optimized for you. So let us recap. 1. The clarity engine. Eliminate daily decisions with weekly daily planning. 2. The consistency loop. Design your habits using obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying cues. 3. The compound catalyst. Weekly review to refine and compound your gains. Your action step this week is not to implement all 3. It is this. Pick one. Maybe it's just the Sunday weekly blueprint. Maybe it's designing one consistency loop for your most important habit. Start small. Build one piece of the architecture. Which pillar are you going to start with? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe and tap the bell for more videos on practical systems for productivity, mindset, and building a life you don't need a vacation from. Thanks for watching. Remember, build the system and the results will come. See you in the next one.